The fog has lifted, however, you can't see those blue skies just yet, but visibility is back. Temperatures right now sitting at 70. The wasps are out there flying about. You see the little wing there on the side of the camera. By 3 p.m. we'll be in the upper 80s, and by 6 p.m. the lower 90s. Here's a look at today's weather headlines. Soaking up the sun today, tracking some storms as we move into tomorrow, and more of a summer-like pattern will continue as we move through the midweek. Temperatures across the board right now in the mid to lower 70 in Macon, 74 in Cochran, 73 in Swainsboro, and 73 there in Vidalia. However, we are going to warm up today, and we're going to warm up pretty quickly into the lower 90s by the time we get into 4 p.m. And then as we move into the overnight hours, this is now 3 a.m. Temperatures only dropping to the lower 70s. So this warm air mass between this afternoon and even tonight is going to set the stage for some potential storms as we move into tomorrow. In fact, we're under a level 2 of 5 on tomorrow's storm outlook. That's stretching from Wilcox into Pulaski, Bleckley, Twiggs, Wilkinson, Baldwin, and Putnam County westward. East of that line that I just drew is all under a level 1, but the threats are primarily the same. Gusty winds is the main threat, but we could see some hail within some of the isolated storms that we do see, and then the potential for some flash flooding is also possible. Here's the wave that's coming in. This is what's prompted the level 2, at least for parts of North Georgia. Here in Central Georgia, I think it'll actually be more of an isolated storm event. I'm going to show you why. This is 5 a.m., hasn't made it to Atlanta yet, but by 8 a.m. it will. And as this system moves south and eastward, you'll notice that the system is going to stay to our north. It kind of fades away after that. However, while the instability has died down in North Georgia, it's still in Central Georgia. We did not see rain come through, so with the heat of the day, we're only going to see more and more of that unstable atmosphere sort of make itself known. This is 8 a.m. Monday, so backing up a little bit, wind gusts now in the teens. Now we're going to see more of a break, if you will. We really didn't see anything in the morning, so this isn't technically a break, but again, that wave was in North Georgia. As we move into the late afternoon, this is when we could see that severe potential. And this model specifically isn't picking up on a lot. You're seeing some yellow, some green there, which usually isn't something, but with the unstable air in place, the heat in place, because we had not seen rain so far on the future view, I am fairly certain these are going to be some pretty strong storms. And as this future view model run goes through, this is now 6 p.m. and moving to 7 p.m., you'll start to see some of that really starting to develop. However, that's why we're under that level 2, and that's why it's in place. We're going to see if that changes as we move over the next 24 hours, but I do think we do have that potential of seeing what we saw yesterday on a Monday, tomorrow for Memorial Day. So plan accordingly, but the morning should be clear as of now. We'll see if that wave even makes it down far south early in the morning. Regardless, as we move into the midweek, the work week, it looks like 10% chance of rain every day with highs in the upper 80s and lower 90s.